In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Dell keyboard for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to Dell.com. And now once we're here, we want to go ahead and hover over our sign in button. So we need to go ahead and sign in or create an account for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and click create an account. So now we need to put in our first name, last name, email address, password, and then click on create an account, or you can just sign in. Now once we've signed in or signed up, we want to go back and hover over our account and click onto my products. Now once you're on this page here, we want to go ahead and click on add products. So click on add products. We can also detect PC or service tag. So it's going to identify your system and add products from Dell here. Or if you've got a service tag, click onto that and then add in that service tag, find product, and then once you've found your product, you can go ahead and click onto the product or products you'd like to register. And basically, Dell accessories usually come with 1 to 3 years limited warranty, depending on the model and region. And with your Dell keyboard, you're going to find your serial number on the back side or underside of that keyboard. So just go ahead and put in that serial number and then click on submit. And then from there, you're going to successfully add it in your Dell keyboard for warranty.